How to make a half double crochet. Grab a ball of yarn a size hook and scissors. Make a slip knot and chain 11. Yarn over your hook and insert it in the second chain from the hook. Grab the working yarn and pull it through. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over with the working strand of yarn and pull it through all 3 loops at once. 1 half double crochet made. Let's do it again. Yarn over and insert your hook in the next chain. Pull the loop through. Yarn over once again and draw through all 3 loops on the hook. Second half double crochet made. Continue this process across the chain. Yarn over and insert hook in the next chain. Yarn over and pull loop through. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. 3 half double crochets made. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over and draw through. Yarn over and draw through all 3 loops on your hook. 4 half double crochets yarn made. Over, insert hook, yarn over and draw through. Yarn over and draw through all 3 loops on your hook. 5 half double crochets made. 6 half double crochets made. Continue across the chain until a total of 10 half double crochets have been made. Count your stitches. Make 10 half double crochets in the top of each half double crochet across. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. We will practice increasing on the next row. To increase, simply make 2 half double crochets in each stitch across. You will have made 20 half double crochets. Chain 1 and turn. We will practice how to decrease on the next row. Yarn over and insert your hook in the first stitch. Pull the loop through for 3 loops on your hook. Do not yarn over, but do insert your hook in the next stitch and yarn over and pull through for 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and draw through all 4 loops on your hook. 1 decrease made. Repeat this process. Yarn over and insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook for 3 loops on hook. Insert hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull the loop through for 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on hook. Yarn over and insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook for 3 loops on hook. Insert hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull the loop through for 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on hook. Repeat this process across the row. You will end up with 10 half double crochets made. Congratulations! You now know how to double crochet. At the end of this lesson, go back to the book where you'll be instructed to download and print the patterns for Lesson 3. The guided practice lesson will be for a mug coaster that we will work on together.